Brittany Force is conscious as the NHRA Safety Safari is going to put her on a backboard and take her to the same hospital that her father was in Friday night for observation. Now we can take a look and see exactly what went wrong on our Budweiser replay, beginning from the starting line. Tony, you're the driver of the Nitro machine. What did you sense that she went through?
Well, let's set the stage. We talked about the temperature rising, and the car was not properly set up because it loses traction. Now, what she did as a driver, she felt the engine RPM increase. That means the tires are starting to spin. Now, the second thing that she did was she got out of the throttle, rolled back in, and the car was really not positioned right. So this is a driver's responsibility. Is you have to feel the car. The car will feed you a shake or some kind of vibration. You're listening to the motor. So the mistake that Brittany Force made was she got back on the throttle when the car was not positioned right. And you can see it there. She was out of power, but the car is probably doing well over 150 miles an hour, but she got the car to the point of no return when she gets back in it. Take a look at the injector blades. She's out of the throttle. She gets back in it, and the car's not pointed straight. Now then the tires never really recovered. The intent is to try to close the throttle so the tires can regain traction, and they continued to spin after she got back on the throttle. And you can see that this is the point of no return. You can see the sidewall from the rear tire. It's digging in, and well, at this point, she really is just bracing for impact.
Imagine that you're a mother watching your two daughters race. You watch your husband race. You have to deal with that likelihood that things can happen as much as Lori Force does. Sister was at the starting line, saw the entire thing happen too. So as we get more reports on the condition of Brittany Force transported for observation, we will of course share them with you.